Basically, I'm gonna start by shaping the dough to get it even thickness all the way around. After I get it even, I'm gonna apply the ricotta and mustard mixture as a base layer and then start building from there. And what this mixture is ricotta cheese, yellow mustard, and garlic. Coat the peel lightly with semolina flour. I'm using 2 different cheeses. I'm using mozzarella as a base layer, and I'm gonna come back with sliced Swiss. Then to the best part, the home-cured pastrami. Our stone in the center is set in about 560 degrees, so it's perfect to drop. Now that the pizza is removed, I'm gonna top it with diced dill pickles, caraway seeds, and drizzle it with spicy brown mustard. I'm Josh Day, and that's how you make the Call Your Mommy Pastrami Pizza on the Ledge by Green Mountain Grill.